Building a machine capable of sustained extreme velocities requires two fundamentally different, yet entirely inseparable, forces. The first is the raw, unyielding precision of modern industrial automation, a world of computer-guided lasers, robotic arms, and mathematical certainty. But the second force is the irreplaceable, nuanced intuition of human hands. Here, deep within the heart of the assembly facility, the creation of the legendary flat-six engine remains an intensely tactile, almost sacred process. While algorithms can calculate tolerances down to the micron, they cannot feel the subtle resistance of metal against metal. The journey begins with the engine block, the structural anchor of the entire powertrain. Heavy hydraulic presses lower the rigid forged crankshaft into place, locking it into the block under immense calculated pressure. The heavy alloy must be seated perfectly true to the block's center line. Even a fraction of a millimeter of misalignment here would result in catastrophic rotational imbalance when the engine nears its 10,000 RPM redline. Yet alongside this immense mechanical force, the most delicate operations are performed entirely by human touch. The intricate timing chains and complex electrical wiring harnesses are seated by feel. Timing chains are the mechanical metronome of the engine. They synchronize the breathing of the powertrain, ensuring that intake and exhaust valves open and close at the precise millisecond required for optimal combustion. A master technician relies on tactile feedback, feeling the slight click of a chain tensioner or the soft seating of a wiring connector to know it is secure. Every single component housed within this alloy block must be prepared to withstand thousands of controlled explosions every single minute. That violent thermal shock and intense physical stress demand near-zero tolerances during the initial build. Even microscopic deviations, an unnoticeable burr on a bolt or a microfracture in a casting, can propagate into mechanical failure on the racetrack. To secure these components, pneumatic torque wrenches drive each structural bolt to an exact, computer-monitored specification. This precise tension prevents the high-frequency vibrations that could literally shear metal fasteners apart under peak load. Yet, human sensory awareness remains the ultimate safeguard. A skilled technician can feel a misaligned thread or a binding bearing long before a digital torque sensor registers a threshold error. Connecting rods are guided onto the journals of the crankshaft with surgical caution, establishing the core rotational geometry of the engine. Lightweight piston wrist pins are lubricated and slid into place, marrying the pistons to the rods. Engine builders carefully lay thin, multi-layered metal gaskets across the deck surface to seal the cylinder heads to the block. These metal gaskets are engineered to maintain the immense compression ratios required to generate true supercar horsepower, holding back combustion pressures that rival the depths of the ocean. The internal combustion engine is, at its core, a complex lung, an intricate pump designed to breathe fluid, air, and fire. To feed this high-performance lung, massive intake manifolds and twin variable geometry turbochargers are bolted down to the assembly. These forced induction units are engineered to force immense volumes of compressed oxygen directly into the combustion chambers, packing the fuel-air mixture to its absolute physical limit. Before the engine covers are sealed, strategic high-viscosity lubricants are meticulously brushed onto critical friction points and rotational bearings. This protective layer safeguards the raw metal against dry friction during its very first crank, the critical seconds before oil pressure builds throughout the system. With the final valve covers torqued and sealed, the completed engine is handed off to an automated guided vehicle. As the vehicle quietly transports the engine across the polished factory floor, the assembly ceases to be a mere collection of individual metal parts. It has become a dormant kinetic heart. Every secured wiring harness, every hand-brushed lubricant, and every hand-torqued bolt represents an absolute guarantee of endurance and high-speed reliability. Hours later, the manufacturing focus shifts from the internal mechanics to the structural exterior. Across the hall, the hybrid steel and aluminum chassis arrives in the body shop as a cold, unyielding metal skeleton. This structural frame must balance two competing demands: extreme torsional rigidity to handle track cornering forces and lightweight construction to maximize performance efficiency. Before any protective coatings, primers, or paint can be applied, the bare metal chassis undergoes intense manual verification. Technicians step in with specialized gap gauges and laser measuring tools, painstakingly adjusting the aluminum hood, carbon fiber composite panels, and front fenders. They are chasing millimeter-perfect panel alignment across every seam. Aerodynamic engineering at high speeds is entirely unforgiving. At triple-digit velocities, even a slightly misaligned body panel creates chaotic, turbulent airflow. This turbulence degrades essential aerodynamic downforce, increases drag, and generates excessive high-frequency wind noise inside the cabin. Every panel seam must be completely flush, uniform, and parallel before the frame is cleared for the paint line. Once the exterior geometry is verified and locked, the chassis glides slowly into the sterile, pressurized environment of the automated paint booth. This chamber operates under strict climate and filtration controls, maintaining precise humidity levels while eliminating microscopic dust particles that could ruin the chemical bond of the finish. Inside the booth, multi-axis robotic arms sweep across the body panels in fluid, synchronized movements. High-speed bell atomizers turn the paint into a fine, electrically charged mist. Because the metal chassis is grounded, it magnetically attracts these positively charged paint particles. The paint wraps uniformly around every curved surface, panel edge, and structural recess. This electrostatic application method does far more than just reduce paint overspray and material waste. It guarantees that the protective clear coats and primers penetrate deep into hidden structural cavities, internal frame rails, and complex inner wheel wells. Corrosion always begins in invisible, neglected corners. By completely sealing the entire undercarriage in an impenetrable shield, the body shell is permanently armored against moisture, road salt, and debris. As the robotic arms retract, they leave behind a smooth, glass-like surface. The mechanical skeleton has finally gained its aesthetic identity. Further across the facility, the structural architecture undergoes a radical transformation. This is the manufacturing line for the bare metal shell of the fully electric Titan. Unlike a traditional internal combustion vehicle, which is built around a central engine bay and transmission tunnel, this electric vehicle chassis is designed to cradle a massive load-bearing battery pack across its floor pan. Because the physical loads, weight distribution, and stress profiles of an electric platform are completely different, the surface preparation process is exceptionally rigorous. Suspended within a massive 360-degree rotating frame, the body shell enters the automated primer zone. Primer serves as the vital chemical bridge between the raw structural alloy and the final color coat. It creates the microscopic surface texture necessary for the paint to grip permanently without flaking or chipping over time. High-pressure nozzles blanket the spinning chassis, depositing a perfectly uniform matte layer across every exterior and interior panel. Rotating the vehicle continuously during this process ensures that gravity assists the application. It prevents liquid runs, stops paint pooling in flat areas, and draws the primer deep into complex structural welds. Once the primer layer cures under high-temperature infrared lamps, the surface must be proven completely flawless. Advanced robotic optical scanners sweep over the panels, using high-definition cameras and structured laser light to hunt for microscopic surface imperfections. A single trapped air bubble, an uneven paint ridge, or an embedded dust fiber would magnify into a glaring cosmetic defect once the high-gloss clear coat is applied. At this level of precision engineering, quality control is a proactive preventive measure, not a reactive post-production repair. When the primer successfully clears the digital scanning inspection, the final base color coat is atomized onto the shell. The robotic arms move with mathematically calculated precision, applying the pigment at an exact thickness measured in microns. Applying too much paint adds unnecessary structural weight and risks clear coat sag. Applying too little leaves the underlying metal vulnerable to solar radiation and chemical oxidation. The fully painted and sealed electric chassis glides forward into the light, ready to receive its high-voltage powertrain. The parallel paths of production finally converge at the most critical stage of the entire assembly process, known in the automotive industry simply as the marriage. A massive heavy-duty overhead gantry lowers the high-voltage battery pack directly into the waiting floor structure of the electric chassis. This single, dense rectangular module dictates the vehicle's center of gravity and handling dynamics. By placing the heavy mass of the battery cells low to the ground, the chassis inherently resists body roll during aggressive cornering, giving the car exceptional high-speed agility and balance. Once the battery module is aligned, technicians step into the installation bay to manually connect the thick, brightly colored orange high-voltage cables. These heavy-gauge lines serve as the vital electrical arteries of the propulsion system. They are heavily shielded against electromagnetic interference and thermal stress, designed to safely carry massive bursts of electrical current from the battery pack to the drive motors instantly. With the electric drivetrain and subframes fully integrated into the chassis, the pristine body shell is lowered from an overhead crane. This is the union of the aerodynamic exoskeleton and the kinetic machinery beneath it. Millimeter precision is required as the shell settles perfectly over the suspension turrets, subframe mounts, and battery frame rails. Robotic lug nut drivers assist technicians as they mount the wide performance alloy wheels, torquing each lug nut to precise rotational values to prevent lateral stress or distortion on the brake rotors. What began as raw aluminum sheets, rolls of fine leather, unformed steel tubing, and dormant wiring looms is now a fully realized high-performance machine. The culmination of thousands of calculated automated actions and refined human touches finally rests on its own four wheels. Every hidden structural weld, every hand-torqued chassis bolt, and every laser-verified panel gap is what its long-term endurance depends upon. In the end, raw industrial power and human intuition operate not as separate methods, but as one continuous, harmonious system, creating a vehicle engineered not just to achieve extreme velocity, but to endure it.